Hello, I'm Kirsten with Amy Green Design. One of our signature services are AGD shopping lists. They are a key tool in your project progressing effectively and efficiently. Your shopping list is a live Google document which allows you, AGD, and other team members to edit, add to, and comment on your shopping list. Once you receive the link for your shopping list, you can use that same link to access your list throughout the duration of your project. Additionally, the list can be found in your Google Drive. Your shopping list has several tabs across the bottom organized by material type. Depending on the scope of your project, you may have 10 or more tabs. Each shopping list has a color code as the first tab. The color codes allow us to quickly identify the status of each material. Each item on your shopping list will have a link, information about size and finish options, quantity, price, trade discount, lead time, shipping, and other notes from AGD. Let's take a look at line item 4, sync option 2, as an example. Clicking on the link for each item will allow you to view product images, reviews, install examples, and sometimes even videos. This is the best place to start in reviewing and approving each selection. The finish column will indicate AGD's recommended finish for each selection and, if applicable, alternate finish options for you to make final approval. The size column will indicate the size for each selection and, if applicable, alternate size options for you to make final approval. The quantity column indicates the amount needed for each selection. This may be square foot for countertops, cartons for tiles, linear feet for trim, or packs for lighting and electrical. The trade discount and total price for each selection auto-calculate based on the quantity. If you scroll to the right, each item has a client comment column where you can let AG know you approve the selection or provide feedback. In this case, the clients opted for sync option 3 over sync option 2. As another example, you can use the client comment column to specify that you prefer a light fixture in black rather than nickel. If you're looking to expedite your schedule, then the lead time might be the best way to prioritize your options. If you're looking to make the most of trade discounts from AGD, then prioritizing options with the largest trade discount might be the best way for you to make your selections. If we scroll to the right, you can view the total price. If you're looking to lower your budget for the project, then the total price including shipping might become the best way for you to prioritize your selections. Please keep in mind that shipping costs and trade discounts are not factored into this total price. Your trade price would be the total cost minus the trade discounts. In order to rearrange your selections, simply click on the entire row and drag it to its new location. At the bottom of each tab are the estimated totals for trade discounts, shipping, templating and install if applicable, and total price. Revisiting inspiration images, design questionnaires, mood boards, and color palettes can assist you in making your approvals. Your AGD drawings indicate where tiles, lighting, and finishes in your shopping list will be located. Check your specs folder on Dropbox where AGD might have added quotes, cut sheets, install guides, or design drawings from vendors for your review. If you're struggling to get started approving selections on your shopping list, plumbing and lighting and electric are typically the first to be installed. If you don't already have an estimated construction schedule from your contractor, AGD will work with you and your contractor to develop one to further prioritize your selections so they are ready for construction. The goal is to get all items approved so they arrive on time for construction and install. If you find yourself struggling to approve or comment on certain selections, please reach out so we can help you progress your shopping list and keep your project on schedule. Please contact AGD once you've approved your shopping list to your comfort level so we can help finalize it. Your shopping list is a unique resource created by AGD specifically for you and your project goals. It helps organize selections that meet your approval while tracking lead time, budget, and assuring all appropriate quantities have been selected, ordered, and delivered. We look forward to sharing this tremendous tool with you so you can turn your design dreams into a reality.